Hey guys, it's Mr. Brown, and we are talking about verb moods. So I'm going to go ahead and write this right here, verb moods. I'm going to share with you some information. You should be taking notes within the slide called Verb Moods. That's Verb Moods that was shared with you in Schoology. And the first thing I want to share with you is that there are three types of moods that a verb can be in. There's the interrogative mood, there is the imperative mood, and there is the indicative mood. Anyways, interrogative mood is when a question is being asked. So the interrogative mood usually starts with who, what, when, where, or why. An example of an interrogative mood sentence would be something like, who let the dogs out? Or what is Mr. Brown's favorite 8th grade class? Let's see here. When will you be graduating high school? These are all examples of an interrogative mood sentence. It asks a question. You can think of the word interrogate, like if you're interrogating someone, you're asking a lot of questions, and the interrogative mood is when a question is posed. In the imperative mood, a command is given. So an example of this, another piece of information I wanted to share with you is that the interrogative mood usually ends with a question mark. The imperative mood usually ends with an exclamation mark. Some additional information that I'd like to share with you is that in the imperative mood, if you place the word you in front of the sentence, it should make sense. So here are some examples of imperative sentences. Let the dogs out. Eat ice cream. And oftentimes we'll see an exclamation mark, but there doesn't always have to be an exclamation mark. Take the quiz that is in Schoology. A command is being given. And we talked about how if you place the word you in front of the sentence, it should make sense. So up here in interrogative, if we say, you who let the dogs out, or you, what is Mr. Brown's favorite 8th grade class, that doesn't make sense. In the imperative move, if we say, you let the dogs out, you eat ice cream, you take the quiz that is in Schoology, when we place the word you in front of the sentence, if it makes sense, it's probably the imperative mood. And the word imperative means something that is important. So that can help us remember that it's when you're giving an important command. The indicative mood is used when you are stating facts or opinions. So this might be, for example, John let the dogs out. That's a fact or an opinion. We could say Billy is eating ice cream. We could say the students completed the quiz in Schoology. These are all indicative mood sentences because it's not asking a question and it's not giving a command. It's just stating a fact or an opinion. So you've got three moods: the indicative mood, the imperative mood, and the interrogative mood. Make sure that you have recorded notes. You don't have to set your notes up like mine. Just make sure you have recorded notes about the three verb moods on the slide, and you are going to be taking a quiz in Schoology and completing a worksheet in order to assess whether or not you understand. Thanks, guys. See ya.